So, Mama, do you want another M&M? Do you want another one? You have to tell me no or yes. How do you say no? Yeah. How do you say yes? How do you say yes? No, that's no. How do you say yes? Yes. How do you say yes? Yeah. Do you want another M&M? Do you want another M&M? You have to say yes. Yes. Okay. Yeah. There you go. Are you eating an M&M? Mason? Mason. Are you eating an M&M? How do you say yes? How do you say no? No. So, do you want an M&M? Do you want an M&M? You gotta answer Mama. Yes? There you go. That's the last one. All gone. All gone. All gone. Do you like M&Ms? Do you like M&Ms? Yes. Those are good, huh? Yeah. Good job.